Racers, start your engines. Go! Oh no! Major lead boost. Who's gonna win? They're both gaining on each other. The leading boost lost some tires, but he won, lost some grip. Tesla
Is it done?
wins.